Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add mobile frame in screen recording video. So in here, I've already opened my CapCut and you can start by clicking on the project and then open your screen recording video. Tap on add. And in here, this is the video. Now I'm going to just find stickers and then find the mobile phone frame. So you can just tap on or click on a phone frame in here as the keyword. You can choose which one to use. For example, I'm going to use the first ones right here. Now we can just go back here. Don't forget to adjust the length of the mobile phone frame stickers to match with the videos. And after you adjust the duration, you can adjust the size. Now you can tap on your video and here adjust the size to fit with the frame. You can adjust the frame or adjust the size of the video. So for example, I'm going to go like this. Here you can see the result like this. You can adjust it to how you like it. If it doesn't still not match, you can adjust it again, or you can also use masking. Choose the rectangle shape and adjust the size and also add some edge corner just like this. Click on a check icon and this will be the final result. So guys, that's how you can add a mobile frame for screen recording video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.